Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Dorbin 9PZ 2-inch zinc standard rib strip for double hung windows, sill section. So you can see by scrolling down or the image below the video along with the printable cut sheet exactly where this is applied, but this is what the zinc, the 9PZ looks like. Okay, it's a hemmed over edge here, and that's intended to go into a kerf cut in the lower sash. Okay, the lower sash is going to come and seat over this. That's your weather stripping at the sill. It's 2 inch, and what they're referring to is the width here. Okay. The height of that hemmed over edge appears to be about 7/8. Oh, forgive me. It's closer to 7/16 overall height, just less than half of an inch. So 7/16 is pretty close to. And that's the distance from the top here to the bottom. This is just a small 6-inch sample, just for review purposes. Again, zinc, a corrosion-resistant sort of material coating on this steel. It's made of zinc. It's not correct to call it steel. It's zinc. The printable cut sheet shows not only where the 9PZ sill section goes, but also shows other constituent parts in the assembly of a double hung window weather stripping kit, such as, well, let's just start with the obvious, the head section. This 9PZ can also act as the head section. Okay, your meeting rail, your lower sash, your upper sash rails, all of the part numbers are on that left hand side, so that you can easily search on the website in terms of the other components that you might need. We have it in the website in several different lengths, a lot of lengths. It's relatively easy to cut. Okay, by all means, if you have a need for a custom length, and you probably would, order the next longest piece and indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut this back to, and we'll be happy to do that. Typical material, you know, here in Chicago, double hung windows, wood double hung windows are everywhere in original homes, and people continue to need to weather strip their windows, and as a, you know, by extension of that logic, we sell a lot of weather stripping. This is zinc. You can also get it in brass as well. Significant upcharge generally in brass. And if you're going to be replacing a sill or a head section, like you'd use the 9 here or here, the sash weather stripping, and of course the meeting rail, the 2 nested J hooks would be very appropriate as well. This video is going to work for both the 9PZ sill section and the 9PZ head section. Okay, nails are included with this material. You don't have to ask for them. You'll get zinc nails as well with this stuff. Okay, and it's a commiserate amount of nails appropriate for installation, depending on, you know, how many you're going to order. But there's generally more than plenty enough nails to go along. There are tools available for doing the kerfs. If you are doing new wood windows and you want to install original equipment, reach out to us if you have need for talking about the blade that you would use to cut the kerf in your sash for this. You can also see there's different sash thicknesses available: 1 3/8, 1 3/4, and 2-inch sash, and you'll want to work, you know, based on the size that you're dealing with in that regard. If you have any questions on the Dorbin 9PZ head or sill section weather stripping, or any other Dorbin product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.